Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make inventory check on your Google Sheets. So here I would like to suggest you to make this point. It's all up to you. You can improve the part that you think that it is important to be on your documents or not. So here I have the inventory report as well as the date, and I have the tables here containing a code, the name of item, start, sold, stocks, and info. So here I already prepared to use, so I would like to paste the data that I already make or prepare before. Click and paste. So here I already have the code, the name of the item. The start here is the quantity of the beginning when you open your shop, and then sold is the end report when you already sell several items. You put it here, and now I would like to organize this into several options. The first is in this part. So here I would like to give a different color, so there will be two groups here. Okay, wait a minute. Oops. Okay, and the last one. Okay, we already have these three groups, and then to have a stocks automatically filled here, we need to do a equation or mathematical. First, you need to go click at equal, and after that the stock will be the start, so you need to click the start cells here, click it, and after that minus the sold, and now you just need to go click done. So the stocks in the end of the day will be 100, which means the beginning we already prepared 200 pieces of 200 pieces of cup hot, but then it already sold 100, means that the stock is 100. So let's autofill here by block all of the rows, click it and click autofill. Now we already have this data. Don't forget to change the color. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now we already have the stock here, and how to add what we do for the stock. Either we need to restock it, or it's still available for a few days. How to do a function, you need to go click the cells on the results, and after that go click this pencils. Now you just need to go click equal and type if. There will be pop up here, you just need to click it, and after that you just need to choose the source of information, which is this one, and after that you need to add the symbols of less than equals to 25, which is the minimum stocks that we need to have before we purchase it. Okay, and after that go add this information. The first statement, if the A6 less than equals to 25, means that we need to restock this. So you just need to go click restock, and after that go add the symbols and put the opposite statement. If it's not fulfilling, so means that it's available. Now just click done, and you can see since the stock is 100, so it's still available, so we don't need to restock it. So let's do an autofill for this part. On the first section, go click autofill, and you can see here there is two items that we need to restock, which is the cup ice and cocktail napkin. It will be the same for the rest, so you need to do the next if, and you can just choose the sources, and after that you also need to set the minimum stocks, the minimum quantity that you want to have for before it purchased it again, which is I think I would like to go 5 this time, and after that just do the same, click a restock if it's less than 5, restock, and available. And click done. Now you can see from this point to autofill there is 2 items that we need to restock, which is milk and mineral water. And you can also do it this. Let's do the same with the if function. And for the minimum here I would like to use with the 3. Click done. And in this group we need to restock the items, which is cheesecake, chocolate cake, and roll cake. And you just need to do this daily, so you can just input change on this sold part so that it will be following to the result. So that's the way how to make inventory on a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.